Hello, guys. How are you today? So I hope you're doing pretty good out there. So today's lesson, we're gonna learn how to give directions traveling by bus. But before we get started, so we're gonna learn some useful expressions that you should know before giving directions traveling by bus. And those expressions are these ones. So let me show these expressions to you. This one's right here. We have 8 different expressions. So the first one is well, with expressions, we use connectors. The first is, okay, first get out of the school. All right, can be, for example, I put this one because actually we're gonna get out of, okay, a place, and this place is a school. That's why the first one is that one. First, get out of the school, then go to the bus stop 5 blocks down from here. Doesn't matter, okay, the blocks, okay, where you're gonna be from place A to point B, all right, doesn't matter. So you're just gonna change, okay, the different blocks. All right, can be 3 blocks, 5 blocks, 10 blocks, I don't know, okay? So that's why number 2 is, okay, then go to the bus stop 5 blocks down from here. Then, so you can take 42 or 101 or 101 bus. So remember, when we're traveling by bus, you need to mention the route number. In this case, I have 2 options, okay, 42 or 101 bus. Then next, get on the bus and you will travel for 15 minutes. So remember, when you get on the bus, okay, you will travel, okay, for a period of time. So doesn't matter, okay, the time. So you're gonna change there. In my case, it's gonna be for 15 minutes. So it can be for 25 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour, I don't know, okay? So you just change the number, all right? Or you just change the minutes. So you will go past. So remember, when you give this expression, given directions, you will go past, you need to mention 3 reference buildings. Can be a bank, school, can be a clinic, okay, church, vaccination center, hospital, I don't know. All right, so you need to mention 3 at least, okay? So the person that you're giving directions, okay, is gonna be like knowing, okay, where he is or she is in that moment, okay? So she's gonna, oh, that's the place, okay, the person mentioned to me. So that's why you need to mention 3 places. And then later, get out the bus in, okay? So you're gonna mention, let her know or let him know where the person is gonna get off from the bus, okay? To be more specific, okay, a reference building as well. Then at the end, you say, finally, in this case, I have, okay, already said, okay, my complete description, okay, how to travel out my complete description about giving directions, okay, which is finally cross Pan American Street and Muna Museum. It's next to the Vaccination Center in front of El Salvador Hospital. All right, so this is the way I explain, okay, with different details, okay, to you how to use this expression, but I'm gonna mention them one more time. So number 1, first get out of the school. Number 2, then go to the bus stop 5 blocks down from here. Number 3, so you can take 42 or 101 bus. 4, next get on the bus. 5, and you will travel for 15 minutes. 6, so you will go past first reference building, second reference building, and a third reference building. Later, get off the bus in, okay, you need to tell the person, okay, where she's gonna or he's gonna get off from the bus. Then finally, okay, like I was telling you, I have already said everything, okay, for my description. Finally, cross Pan American Street, and Muna Museum is next to the vaccination center in front of the Salvador Hospital. So now, okay, that you have these expressions, writing them, all right, and that's a basically pronunciation for them. So what I'm gonna show you this moment is this. So every time that you give directions traveling by bus, or if you like to exercise giving directions traveling by bus, well, it's really important, okay, that you actually draw a map, a real map, okay, from the place that you are, if you're gonna go from point A to point B. In this case, it's gonna be point A is this one right here. All right, this is gonna be point A, all right, and my point B is this one right here, is this museum. The name of the museum, okay, is Muna. So the different expressions, okay, that I was mentioning to you and that you need to write down in practice, okay, they are gonna be used right here, okay, into this expression that you can see right here in purple color. So the main question, okay, the main question is, excuse me, how can I get to Muna Museum? So that's the main question. And then you go step by step, okay, and check it out how we use, okay, all these expressions, okay, into the map. It says, first get out of the school, okay. So the school is called Capcom. So I'm gonna get out of the school, okay, get out of the school. Then it says, go to the bus stop, 5 blocks down from here, okay. So I go down, okay, right here, 5 blocks all the way to the bus stop, which is this one right here. Then it says, later you can take 101 or 42 bus. Okay, so once I'm in the bus stop, so I'm gonna be waiting for these 2 routes, different bus. All right, so it's gonna be 101 or 42 bus. Once, okay, I see that the bus is coming, I'm gonna get on the bus. All right, when I get on the bus, okay, when I get on the bus, later exactly, I'm gonna be traveling. I will travel for 15 minutes, okay? So I'm gonna be traveling all the way right here on Pan American Street, all right, for 15 minutes. But remember, I was telling you, okay, that when we use, okay, the other expression about go past something, all right, it says, after traveling 15 minutes, you will go past San Rafael Hospital. Like I was telling you, okay? So you need to mention the first reference building, which is, I will go past, okay, San Rafael Hospital. I will go past 12 Channel Building, and also, okay, Saved by the Guadalupe Church. And it says, finally, get off the bus in Feria Rosa Mall. All right, so I'm gonna be getting off right here in Feria Rosa Mall, this one right here. So once, okay, I get up from the bus right here, so I need to cross Pan American Street, okay? So I'm gonna cross Pan American Street, which is this one. So I go walking, okay? I go walking all the way this way. And finally says Muna Museum, okay, which is this one right here, Muna Museum, okay, is next to the vaccination center, okay, in front of, okay, El Salvador Hospital. So basically, this is the way that we use all these expressions, okay, to travel bus. And that's the way that you give directions, okay, to a person that is, okay, basically walking by the person likes to travel by bus. So this is a way that you put this in practice. All this expression, doesn't matter where you are, where you live, what country you are from. So use this expression. Those are the ones you're gonna use, and is the same thing that you're gonna use. This case is, okay, going to a museum. I don't know if you're gonna go to the supermarket, if you're gonna go to the bank, or if you're gonna go to a tourist center, or if you're gonna go to the beach. All right, traveling by bus. So apply these different structures. So basically, okay, this is the way that we do it. In this case, it's about going to a museum. So I'm gonna show you, okay, one more, all right, which is about going to a different place. But all right, that's gonna be later. So guys, so this is the way that we do it. So practice and study, these expressions. So travel, I mean, the most important thing is, okay, that you actually draw a map, all right? And then later, okay, with the map, so you're gonna be like put yourself into the map. And once you are, okay, into the map, so you can start giving directions traveling by bus using the expression. So guys, so this is the way that we do it. Very easy, very simple. So if you have some comments, okay, please write them below, all right, and give me a like, okay, to this video. That's the way we're gonna reach, okay, different people, all right, they're gonna be like actually watching this video and learn English with me. So guys, I see you later, catch you later, okay, bye, everybody.